This small dark bird is a male paradise riflebird, and he has been returning to the exact same branch every single year. Once he arrives, he quickly declares his presence to the forest. His call is amongst the loudest in the treetops, and its purpose is to gather a very specific audience. Once he's satisfied with the crowd, the show can begin. Hoping a female riflebird may be watching. If she's impressed, she will join him on stage for a closer look. She will join him on stage for a closer look. If his moves can satisfy her, she will agree to mate with him. But the females are very particular. He will need to try again. She is also not impressed. He must do much more than that to win her over. This has not been his day. Perhaps he will have more luck with his next show.